I think companies should give us a reward when we are reporting bugs. We're making their product better and we paid for it. It's a weird concept, right? Welcome back to Websites for Beginners. My name is JP and we're looking at how you can build a multi-page website with Divi. And so far we haven't even touched on multi-pages. We're building out the home page and then we're going to set up our navigation with our header and our footer to make it look good. We work on another section. This is a section where we put up a little bit statistics of what our business has achieved over the years. Add a new section, go to Flex Equal Columns, and we select 4 columns. Select the section. Make sure you do that with the blue box selected. It says section at the top. Background. Change the background out to image, not color. And I will choose this one over here. With that selected, I will also go and add padding to the top and the bottom. Spacing, padding top 75 pixels, and I'll click on the link to give it 75 pixels at the bottom. As so. Go to the first column, we click on the plus and we bring in an SVG module. Go to the options panel in the right and we select uploaded SVG, and the first one is this clock that I'm going to use over here. With the clock selected, we go to design, change the color, fill color picker and choose the primary color, and then to sizing and we set the width to 48 type in pixels, and then also go up one level to this sizing option and make sure the shrink to fit is deselected. To add another element, I cannot do that on page, so I go to the layers panel on the left, is right click and add element below, and this will be a text element. I'm going to put a number in here. I select the text and type in 2007, and we change it as follows. We keep the default, then light. We put it on all caps. We put the color on white. Text size we leave at 14. Letter spacing at 2. And text line height we put at 1em. Oh no, where is our text size? We put the text size on 48 and our text font weight on bold. I want this to be next to that one there. So I want the 2007 next to the clock. To do that, I will wrap them inside a group. Go to the column, right-click, add element inside and select group. Then from the layers panel, close this one. I'll grab the SVG, drag it into the group. And the same for the text, where I see the line. Select the group, options on the right, under design, layout, and the direction. Layout direction, I'll put to row. The horizontal gap is set at 30, too much, and I'll reduce it to 16. With the group selected, also go to justify content and select center. We can put it in the center of the group. Add text below the group. I can do that on page. Click here, add new group or row. Select, and I'll go for heading this one. Maybe use a H3 here as well. Design or preset. Let's see what happens if I put it on H3. It's there, but it's not the right color. Go to my heading text, pick color, and I'll choose the bright snow. Change out the title, company established. That's a little bit of information. And to get this all center aligned, what we do is we select the column, layout, and put it on align items to the center. Everything is nicely aligned. With the column selected though, let's also reduce this space here. And that will be a vertical gap, and we also use 16 pixels. Having updated this H3 to a white version, we go ahead and create a new preset for this so that we have a H3 that is dark, like up here, and a H3 that is light, like this one. Select the preset H3, new preset from current style, and we call this H3, and we use this on a dark background, but I will call it H3 white so that I know what color it is. In the box at the top, remove the original H3, click on Save Preset, and our box is done. Quick look at how this looks on tablet. I like it this way, and the same for mobile device. Oh, that looks good. Good. Now that we've done that, we duplicate this column 3 times. Go to the row, select the green box, elements, and here are the 4 columns. Delete these 3, then duplicate. And before we change the content. Have a look on tablet. That looks good. And the same for phone. Whee! Good. And all I need to do now is change out the content. Select the SVG, and many times we're not going to be able to do it on page. It's going to be tricky, but if we're that lucky, we can just change it out very quickly and change that to that one. And we change the text for this one, 473. And then this one, we call it projects completed. Next one, see if we can select the SVG. Good. I'll use this one again. And we select the text, 54 plus, and change the text to business partners. And the last one, change, select, choose again this one. And we say 12,000. Oh, undo. What happened to my text? Let me click outside, undo. There we go. Try that again. 12,000 happy customers. With this large number, let's just have a look. Shouldn't be issue. You know, this is the beautiful thing. Once you have it down and you know what you are doing, how quickly we have created this. Let's save it, go preview it on the front end because we discovered this may be a big surprise. Activate Pixify so I can see how it will look. Great, great, great. We scroll down, and we get here. And this behaves properly. We feel very good about it. Pat ourselves on the back. Let that imposter syndrome sink into oblivion. We are the real deal. We created a nice section here and the page is coming along very nicely.